Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to fix eFootball download fail problem 2026 download not completing. Okay, let's start the video. First of all, go to your eFootball apps. Getting the download fail error in eFootball. Watch this tutorial to fix it quickly and easily. eFootball download fail. Let's quickly fix this issue without delay. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your phone setting and follow my step by step. Scroll down, now tap on apps. Find the eFootball apps here or tap on the search icon. Now search for eFootball apps. Now tap on eFootball apps. Scroll down, now tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache and clear data. After that, now tap on force stop and OK. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your Play Store, update your eFootball apps. Now tap on search icon and search for eFootball apps. Now tap on eFootball apps. It is already updated. Now go back your home screen and restart your device. After that, now go to your eFootball apps. Now select your country and tap on next. Now tap on confirm. Now let's correct your date of birth. Now tap on done and tap on next. Now tap on confirm. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. Thank you.